So you might have spent a lot on your robot vacuum already, but just can't seem to find one that thoroughly cleans your home. And today, I want to talk about the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Pro. It has a pretty cute charging dock, but don't let its looks fool you, because this robot vacuum has powerful cleaning features that can save you loads of effort in keeping your home clean. So here's what you need to know about it. Hello Rocky.
I'm here.
Start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
One of the main benefits of the Qrevo Curv 2 Pro is its slim form factor with just a 7.98 centimeters height, which not only allows it to navigate through tight spots around your home, especially when going under furniture with low ground clearance. The robot vacuum has a pair of mops that can be automatically detached by the charging dock when you have it clean carpeted floors. To tackle corners, the right side mop pad automatically extends to do that, which I find very helpful that even some stick vacuums can't achieve. The robot vacuum also rinses and mops with 60 degrees Celsius hot water to better remove dirt on the floor. Now, it's not every time that you would want to just vacuum your house and you may have carpets around, which is why the Qrevo Curv 2 Pro is able to elevate its chassis up to 3 centimeters and its omnidirectional wheels enable it to move around thick carpets without any issues. The mop pads are also raised automatically to prevent moisture on carpets. With a strong suction power of 25,000 PA, the Qrevo Curv 2 Pro has got one of the most powerful motors among robot vacuums. But keeping your home clean isn't all about strong suction power, but it is also the components that the robot vacuum uses to effectively suck dust. First, the flexi-arm arc side brush ensures that no particles and dust left unattended on the edges, while its dual divide main brush makes sure larger particles such as hair goes into the dustbin without getting tangled. The robot vacuum also operates at a reasonable 58 decibels noise level, which is good for late night cleaning. More essentially, the Qrevo Curv 2 Pro uses a RetractSense LiDAR navigation system to map your home and navigate around. Even when it is under furniture, it continues to be active while remain retracted with a 100-degree rear view. A high-resolution camera identifies obstacles along its way and is supported by light when cleaning in the dark. This is why the robot vacuum has excellent obstacle avoidance, which I hardly need to keep my floor mats, cables, or my kids' toys on the floor when it is doing its work. The Qrevo Curv 2 Pro is really easy to manage using the Roborock app. But what makes it even more convenient is the robot's built-in voice assistant, which understands several commands and it works most of the time whenever I say, "Hello Rocky, start cleaning," in my usual tone, even when I'm 10 feet away from it. For smart home enthusiasts, the Qrevo Curv 2 Pro is also one of the few robot vacuums that support the Matter protocol, which gives you the flexibility to run automations along with other smart home appliances with no compatibility issues. While robot vacuums ensure that we get our time off cleaning at our busiest times, they still ultimately require some form of maintenance. But fortunately, the Qrevo Curv 2 Pro is an easy one. Every time the robot vacuum finishes the task and returns to its docks, the mop pads are being rinsed with hot water up to 100 degrees Celsius that effectively kills bacteria. Warm air of 55 degrees Celsius will then dry the mop pad to prevent the growth of mold and unpleasant odors. Hence, there's no need to manually wash them. Dust is also automatically emptied into a dust bag in the charging dock that can last up to 10 weeks. Overall, the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Pro is a very intelligent robot vacuum that will keep any messy house clean with very minimal intervention and easy maintenance. Compared to previous robot vacuums I used to own, I'm most impressed with its obstacle avoidance and carpet cleaning features, which is hard to come by on other robot vacuums in the market. That's all for my thoughts about it. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel for more videos coming right up, and I'll see you in the next one.